Hello everybody, it's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a market forecast, going over key points I see in the market to help you and myself out. So let's hit it, guys. We're on Forex Factory. We've been looking at some key parts in the news, so let's go through it. So if you're trading currency pairs, Forex, Japan has a holiday Monday and Tuesday for you guys. But for their time frames, this Sunday, Monday. When you guys are looking at these markets, make sure you guys look at the news before trading. You don't want to get shaken out by a larger spread, because when it comes to Tuesday, we got Fed Chair Powell testifies and talks. Usually, when the Fed talks, something dumb happens in the market. Spreads get a little bit larger. Something you guys want to be aware of, especially when you trade like euro dollar. We got the French flash PMI, get Germany PMI. If you guys want me to break down that in more detail, just let me know. But what you guys can do is follow with me. Just go to forexfactory.com. You can break all that stuff down, okay? So our next thing would be Fed Chair Powell testifies, usually a big market thing. When Powell talks, and usually when anyone in the Federal Reserve are connected to that area, it just, yeah, blah, 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 blah. And it's going to be, we're going to print more. We're going to do more deficit spending, basically destroying the purchasing power of the dollar even more, and probably interest rates are not going to move or just go negative. But that's pretty much my spill on that. Fed Chair Powell testifies. So those are some big key points. What's coming up for the Forex market, but I want to show you some other markets also. So we're actually on the cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin took a little bit dip down this weekend, and for my last price point that I told everyone to buy, it was at 23 for XRP. If you guys want to join my group, talk about investments, journal hangout group, is a Telegram app. Link is below. Just all you gotta do is download it, join the group. Our next thing is we need to take a look at the 10-year bond right here. So we're at 0.67. Let's see, we might actually increase. The 10 year is really important. If you guys want to know how important it is in the markets, I can break that down. Just put a comment below. I'll put that in the next video next week. And we get the dollar. Now I put the dollar on the monthly because the dollar is extremely important, because the last few months the dollar has been heading down, down, down. Now you guys can see it over here with the charts even more. So if the dollar keeps heading down, pairs like USD/JPY or pound dollar might be easier to trade. Just see what the direction of the dollar is. Might be bouncing off this a little bit high, hit it a little bit lower. To me, it doesn't matter. I'm hedged both ways. And you should also be too, getting into precious metals, and that's what I'm going to be talking about right now. Alright guys, so the first thing we're talking about precious metals is the gold prices versus silver prices historical chart. We're only going to go back a few years, not too far back. You guys catch the other videos I have done with those. But gold and silver are obviously up, been bouncing around this consolidation area. Now to me, gold and silver are still cheap. I am buying weekly. I encourage people to buy too. I think it's one of the best things to get out of the dollar, beat inflation or hyperinflation. Actually, depending on what kind of market crash we have coming up, because we just entered into this recession. You can see this gray bar. But let's check out the next information. So the gold silver ratio, I was really happy when gold was almost sitting at 100, gold silver ratio 115. So basically, where's my silver at? Somewhere on my desk. But basically, it'll take 115 silver ounces to get 1 ounce of gold based on the dollar price. Now, if you're in a different currency, your gold silver ratio is going to be a little bit different, but this is based on the dollar. And guys, those are some very key points. If you guys want to learn more about the markets, learn more about trading, investing, head to my website. You guys can schedule a consultation. Hit me up either on Facebook or Instagram. But before we do that, go to gold and silver. And here, there's a little video that I made. If you guys want to watch that, it'll help you learn how to scan down silver, how to understand scan down a silver bar to make sure it's not fake. A lot of fake silver is coming out there. And here you guys go. There's a bunch of links. You guys want to find out world debt clock, what's happening out here. This is live data of the markets. It's not updated right now. But once again, you guys want to learn how to trade and invest, contact me. I do one-on-one sessions, group sessions, and I have a small academy if you want to learn. But that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for making it to the end.